concept is blind spots, and your tools is retrograde. Retrograde. Blind spots. Yes. Retrograde adalah basically you do everything in reverse. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. All right. DJ, are we ready? Music. Let's go. Let's go first. Who goes first? Who goes first?